Hi guys, how you doing? What we have here, it is a VW Fox. I think it's from the 90s or something. I just recently acquired it. It is still okay, although it is in rough shape, but then as you can see here, Fox 1.8. So yeah, I'm in the process of restoring it. I want to restore it, maybe drive it a bit inside. As you can see, it is rough. Although I have that dashboard and all that, the covers here, the seats, they are rough. There's not the original seats, although they are original, but the cover is not original. It has been redone. The mats just need a little bit of cleaning up. Does not have the shift gear. When I got it, they took it out. The seats, as you can see, the back, it is still with that mouse poo or whatever you want to call it. The steering is still okay. Yeah, the covers here, the door panels, I do have them. They came with the car. Let's check in front. Does not have an engine. When I got it, didn't have an engine. Yes, okay. Sorry for that, guys. So I have the gearbox and I have the engine, so I just need to put them in, and then maybe fix the brakes. Because as you can see, this is what I have now. And then this other side has brakes, and this other side, it also has brakes. That is the manifold exhaust. This is the brake, the master, the cylinder brake. This is where you pour in the water. So yeah, let's check at the back. Let's open it up. At the back, as you can see, it is super dirty. Although it was not this dirty, I just cleaned it up a bit. But then it has a tow hook, so even though I'm not going to tow with it, a nice tail pipe, and the lights, they're still okay, even though it is broken here. This one broken this side, but then I can still use it. Let's check the driver door. The driver door is missing the handle here. I don't have it. This door panel, I do have it. And what else should I show? Oh, the headliner. The headliner is still okay, just needs a little bit of cleaning up. I think we can take these things out, maybe paint it or something. Is still okay. Yeah, and the rear view mirror still okay. The glass, the windshield, is not there okay, but I could work with it just now. It is missing the wiring, even though that it has, but then most of the wiring, it has been stripped, but it's not a problem. I'll work with it bit by bit up until I get it right, and then maybe we can take it for a drive. Let me open this door. Sorry. There you go. This is the back side. I'm going to clean all of this, make it nice. Then the back panel is still okay. Just put a little bit of shine here, and then that shine that other side, and then it will be good. Let's check how how it is down here. Down it is still okay. The suspension on this car, as they told me, because I was towing it, I didn't feel how it ride, but they told me that it was still okay. But I'm yet to find out. Yeah. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to, this is a 1.8. I do have a 1.8 engine that I'm gonna put in it. So yeah, with that, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, as I'll be rebuilding this car if ever I don't finish rebuilding it. Just stay with me. But this one, I want to rebuild it, maybe sell it or pass it on to someone else who can finish it and enjoy driving it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.